Hello everyone! I-share ko sa video na to yung nabili ko na electronic gadget. It's an outlet timer. Ipapakita ko din kung paano ito gamitin, pati na din yung review ko sa product. Ito yung box niya. Plain white lang and wala siyang brand name. Meron lang siyang image of the product itself. Inside the box, merong guide on how to use the product and important reminders about the product na din, meron din. Ito mismo yung product. Medyo bulky and medyo sturdy. May digital screen siya and mechanical dials. Sa likod mo makikita or nakalagay yung specs nitong outlet timer. So, this is 220 volts with a maximum of 2,300 watts. Meron din siyang kasamang adapter which is quite sensible kasi hindi lahat ng outlet at home will fit this type of plug-ins. Nabili ko to sa Shopee for 243 pesos. Free shipping, of course. I believe available din to sa Lazada. And to show you how to use this, unang need gawin ay i-reboot yung system. So, press this small round button sa lower right side. There you go. Itong first dial, which is the program, ginagamit to set yung on and off na schedule. Then, yung week, tinutukoy nito yung days of the week na isa-set mo. Then, hours and minutes is used to set both yung program ng schedule and yung time of the day sa clock. On, auto, off dial. Pag on, meaning tuloy-tuloy lang yung flow ng electricity. Pag off, totally hindi magfo-flow yung energy. Parehong on and off, hindi mag-work yung schedule na sinet mo sa program. So, third option is auto. Dito lang mag-work yung on and off schedule sa program. So, ensure mo lang na naka-auto yung setting if you want yung schedules or yung program to work. Next step is to set yung oras ngayon. So, ngayon is 12:12 na ng tanghali. Just press the clock dial habang ina-adjust mo yung hour and yung minutes. So, 12:12. Based sa military time, so be mindful kapag beyond 12 na ng tanghali yung oras. Dapat yung digits is 13 onwards na. Forward counting lang siya. So, pag lumampas yung number, nagkamali, uulitin mo yung round ng oras. You can set the program or schedule even before setting the time or yung clock. Just press program. The number refers to yung number or yung count ng program, and then may indicator din if yung schedule na siniset mo is to turn on or to turn off. Then you need to set what day of the week applicable yung schedule. Just press the week dial. Sa taas ng screen, makikita mo yung options kung gusto mo every day or specific days lang ng linggo. Pwedeng weekday lang, pwedeng weekends lang, Saturday, Sunday, or pwedeng once a week lang. For this example, ang gagamitin ko is everyday or daily. Yung oras ngayon is 12:14 for reference. Just press the hour and minutes to determine yung schedule, which yung i-set ko na schedule for turn on is 12:16. That's 2 minutes away lang. There you go. Then to set naman yung turn off settings, just press again yung program, which will indicate na yung schedule is for off setting na. Again, you can choose the specific days of the week bago mo iset yung oras. I will set 12:17 for turn off. And once tama na yung oras, it's all good to go. There. You can actually check. You can press yung program para makita mo yung maximum schedules na pwede mong iset or i-add sa program. Yung maximum number ng schedules na pwede mong ilagay is 16. Ngayon, subukan natin gamitin tong LED light and yung schedule na sinet sa outlet timer. So the time right now is 12:15. We have 13 seconds away bago mag-on yung LED light or yung device. Okay, so kaya hindi siya nag-turn on kasi hindi ko nasaksak ng maayos yung LED light USB. I'm sorry, my bad. Let's wait for the program to turn off based dun sa schedule, which is 12:17. That's just few seconds away. Eight seconds. 2, 1. There you go. Personally, ginagamit ko tong outlet timer sa aircon namin na walang timer. I've been using this for a week na and helpful lang din talaga in a way na hindi ko na kailangan mag-effort palagi to turn the aircon on and off. Overall, ang review ko dito ay una, madaling i-set up. Very customizable siya based on sa dami ng days of the week na pwede mong gamitin. Pwede kang mag-program ng up to 16 schedule, which in my opinion is madami. Based sa 1 week na paggamit ko, reliable tong product na to. And ultimately, syempre, ang pinaka-importante is makakatipid ka sa energy and money. On the hindsight, hindi ko sure kung talaga bang hindi siya nagkokonsumo ng kuryente. Kasi diba kapag naka-plug yung appliance, even if it's turned off, nagko-consume siya ng konting kuryente. That's probably minimal na lang compare sa masisave mo kapag ginamit mo tong outlet timer na to to another appliance or gadget you have at home. That's about it. If you find this video helpful, feel free to hit the like button. And if na-try nyo na gumamit ng gadget na to, just feel free to share your experience na din sa comment section. Bye!